Assalamu alaikum. Ali Standard English C by Cantab publisher, and remember our slogan is one curriculum, one nation. And today's topic, it is that complete the sentences, and the objective is to enable the student, that SLO is going to be like this, that students will be able to use the correct words in the sentences. Word bank has been given here. Now what you can do, you can show a flashcard of this sheep to the student. Students, look at here. What is this? It is a sheep. Good. It is a sheep. Do you like to see a sheep? Oh, and can you tell me how does it speak? What is the sound of a sheep? Baa, baa. Okay, it is a sheep. Can you tell me what is the color of the sheep? It is white in color. It is white in color. And look how many feet. How many feet it has? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 feet. It has 4 feet. And what is this? Fur. It has thick fur on it. It has thick fur on it, and it lives in fields. It lives in fields. Now, Ali, can you please hold this card and can you tell me about the sheep? You can encourage the student to hold the card in his or her hand and talk about the sheep. After this vocal and verbal practice, what you can do, you can introduce this word bank firstly on the board. So look at here what I am writing. White, white, fur, fur, 4, 4. And what is this? Fields, fields. White, fur, 4, fields. You can invite some students to come nearby the board and read the words for the class. After ensuring that all the students have recognized these 4 words, what you can do, you can introduce this page of the book on the board like this. Students, there is a sheep in the garden. There is a sheep in the garden. Sheep. There is a sheep in the garden. Look at here. It is dash in color. It is dash in color. Who is going to tell me what is the color of the sheep? Yes, it is white in color. It has dash feet. How many feet it is having? It has how many feet? Good. Ali, you come and write here. It has 4 feet. Very good. It has thick on it. What is this? Fur. Good. Who is going to come and write here? It has thick fur on it. And where can you find a sheep? Where does it live? It lives in, come on Usman and write it here. It lives in fields. Very good. Now I want Usama to come here and to read these sentences. Yes, Usama, read it for us. There is a sheep in the garden. Good, Usama. It is white in color. Very good, Usama. Sit down. And now I want another guy to come here and to read the rest of the sentences. You can encourage different students to read the sentences. After this, what you can do, you can erase these words and you can invite other students to come and to complete the sentences. After having this board practice, you should erase the board and ask the students to open their books and to complete the page by themselves. It has to be done individually. We request you to have the photocopy of this very page and paste it on the notebooks of the student and let them have it completed by themselves individually at home. For the next period, what you can do, if there is a sheep, you can put a goat here and you can ask the student to complete the sentences related to goat by themselves. It means that finally you have to enable the student to walk by their own. Thank you very much.